Oh.
Why would I want to give it to you?
I know you don't want to give it to me, but I want you to give it to me. And I'm gonna make you give it to me if you don't just hand it over. You fooled me once, I'm not gonna believe you again. The only way to actually know that you're giving me the correct book is by killing you. So that's exactly what we're gonna do.
Okay, whoa. Theo, let him talk.
No, we're not here to
Okay,
talk!
nice, dude.
Okay, everybody just go on Theo. He's the better player. Slime can get Parrot.
Dude, are you serious?